Today, I'm going to share a personal story that I hope will help you avoid the nightmare I experienced with an interstate move. We'll cover my disastrous move from Washington to Florida, how to choose a reliable moving company, and the top scams to watch out for. So whether you're planning a move or just curious, stick around. This information could save you a lot of heartache and money. Now let me take you back to when our family decided to move from Camas, Washington to Plant City, Florida. We were relocating for my wife Jennifer's health. She has a nerve disorder that makes it hard for her to handle cold weather. The trouble started when we chose our moving company. Jennifer found one with tons of positive reviews, which, spoiler alert, turned out to be fake. The price was our first mistake. It was half of what the other quotes were. I now know that if it seems to be too good to be true, it probably is. Now, at first, everything was fine. The company was responsive, and I always spoke to the same person. We got a written estimate, but I didn't understand the significance of it being non-binding. That was a big mistake. On moving day, we got hit with a bombshell. The movers said the final price would be triple the original quote. But by then, most of our stuff was already at their storage facility. Once they left, all communication stopped. We later found out that we were dealing with a broker and not the actual movers. Now, weeks went by without any word about our belongings. Our kids were devastated, thinking that their toys were gone forever. After a month of silence, I contacted the FBI, fearing that we'd fallen victim to a moving scam. The emotional toll on our family was immense. We had to buy replacements for many items, not knowing if we'd ever see our possessions again. And finally, after 2 agonizing months, we got our stuff back. This experience taught us some hard lessons about choosing movers, which I'll share with you next. After the move, I learned a lot about how to verify a moving company's reliability. Here are the key steps you should take. First, check the company's legal status. Visit the FMCSA website listed in the description and verify their Department of Transportation number. Ensure they have proper certificates for interstate moves. Second, read reviews carefully. Don't just rely on the company's website. Be sure to check the Better Business Bureau and look for a pattern of complaints. Number 3, verify their physical presence. Be wary of companies without real offices. We found out too late that our company was registered to a residential address. 4, insist on an in-home estimate. If the company won't visit your home to provide an estimate, that's a red flag. 5, ask for references and actually call them. Talk to real people who have used their services. Number 6, check their insurance. Get insurance certificates directly from their insurance company to avoid fraud. Number 7, ask about their equipment. Be cautious for companies using unmarked or rental trucks. Number 8, pay attention to their customer service throughout the process, not just at the beginning. Number 9, get everything in writing. Insist on a binding estimate or an estimate with a ceiling price. And finally, number 10, trust your gut. If something seems off, it probably is. Remember, thorough research is key. Don't rush the process. It's worth taking time to find a reputable mover. Now, let's talk about the top 3 moving scams that you need to watch out for. First, the lowball estimate scam. This is what happened to us. The company gives you an unreasonably low estimate to win your business, and then after loading your belongings, they reveal the actual cost is much higher. To avoid this, always get in-home estimates from multiple reputable companies and insist on a binding estimate. Second, the hostage load scam. In this scam, the moving company essentially holds your belongings for ransom. They load your stuff and demand additional payments before delivering them. To protect yourself, never let the movers leave with your belongings if something feels off, and ensure that all the fees are clearly stated in writing before the move. Number 3, the fly-by-night company scam. These are fraudulent companies that disappear with your money and possessions. They often change names frequently to avoid detection. To avoid this, always verify the company's Department of Transportation number and licensing. Check for consistent business history and be wary of companies that only communicate online or by phone. Moving is stressful enough without having to worry about scams. By sharing my experience, I hope I've given you some valuable tools to protect yourself. Remember, do your research, get everything in writing, and trust your instincts. If you're planning a move, take the time to thoroughly vet your moving company. It could save you from the financial and emotional stress that we've endured. And if you've had a similar experience, know that you're not alone. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you have a smooth, scam-free move. If you found this information useful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical advice. Safe moving, everyone.